Are Jaguar drivers worse than BMW drivers? Regard to complying with the law of the street. Individuals in the driver's seat of a BMW may have picked up a notoriety for their driving aptitudes and behavior, yet now it would show up the individuals who drive big cats have surpassed them. Another overview has discovered that Jaguar drivers are the most noticeably awful in Britain, in the wake of admitting to a few awful driving propensities, for example, utilizing their telephones while driving, not wearing safety belts and speeding. It uncovered a stunning 85 for each penny of Jaguar proprietors addressed confessed to speeding, 71 for every penny said they frequently neglect to demonstrate, and 50 for each penny admitted they are liable of hopping activity lights. The overview of 2,000 British drivers uncovered the more dependable drivers were the individuals who possessed a Volvo, Skoda or Nissan. Nonetheless, drivers of these autos were additionally well on the way to utilize their telephone while driving, with the vast majority of Skoda proprietors admitting to the offense. In spite of the fact that BMW drivers were uncovered to be the second well on the way to speed, they proved to be the best for activity offenses, for example, hoarding the center path or tossing litter from their auto window. Panther and BMW drivers were trailed by the individuals who drive Mitsubishis, Minis and Seats. The information, discharged by national.co.uk, found that 4/5 of drivers admitted to no less than one of the offences. By and large, 59 for each penny of drivers confessed to speeding, with 14 for every penny saying they submit the offence consistently. The survey also revealed 14% of drivers park in places they shouldn't, including disabled spots and parent and child spaces. James Kelly, marketing manager at national.co.uk, said, "It's shocking to see just how many people potentially drive dangerously." 80% of drivers we surveyed admitted to committing at least one of these offences, whether that be speeding or littering. It's crucial to abide by the laws of the road, even if your car is in perfect working order. Committing driving offenses puts you and other road users in danger. The overview likewise discovered individuals from Coventry's close neighbour Birmingham were the most exceedingly bad drivers, where half of the respondents confessed to neglecting to show, and over a third endeavour. Birmingham was trailed by drivers in Swansea, Gloucester and London. Panther drivers beat the rundown of disgrace for not wearing a safety belt, neglecting to show, hoarding the center path, undertaking and hopping red lights. The overview likewise uncovered some fascinating information about Coventry. It found the accompanying. The vast majority in the city drive a Ford, a Peugeot or a Volkswagen. 1 out of 5 drivers utilize their cell phone when driving. Simply under portion of drivers have confessed to eating in the driver's seat. 1 of every 10 confessed to not wearing a safety belt. 3 of every 5 confessed to speeding beforehand. 45 for every penny have neglected to show. 1 of every 10 confessed to hoarding the center path. 15 for every penny of individuals confessed to hopping activity lights. 1 of every 10 individuals read messages while driving. Simply under a fourth of drivers confessed to driving when they speculated they were over the breaking point. 1 out of 10 confessed to stopping in assigned space when they know they shouldn't. 15 for every penny of drivers have been halted by police for an offense.